right person and you could work around.
I remember seeing the ads on TV and they were clubbed with happing.
Yes, yes. So Happy has been a very nice partner for us over a period of time. But then we wanted a little more attention, I guess, and we thought let us, go our own way. So last year we had
North India also, so I think Delhi, starting with Delhi would be a very good, stepping stone, I would say.
Yes.
And exhibition, nothing better than exhibition because Ozone we have been visiting for quite a number of years, so it does not lie.
in fact, Salim, even you can have a quiz